Hayo.
Day, malisan ka.
Di ko maligsan. Wow, grabe ang init. Ang ingay ng background. We are here sa metro, yung katapat ng Colonel. Tapos, pumunta kami ng 138. Grabe. Ang ingay. Hi guys! How are you? Malapit na talaga yung Christmas. Diba? Di ni Mabli din. It's almost like today is December 14. Hello friends! Nandito kami sa Colon. We just been sa galing kami sa 138 kasi nag-shopping kami. Wow, shopping talaga, no? Shopping talaga yung term. Of course, shopping. Yung mga additional Christmas things. Yan. So, eto yung kasama ko. Kakain na siya. Gusto mo nang kumain, Jer? Grabe, ang init. It's already 12 noon. Huh? There's no such thing. You're fasting di show. Naday mapas mo nga mapasting. Filler kaya di akong kuyog. Yan, so we're on our way to eat. And today pala, good morning pala guys. I forgot to tell you good morning. Today is Christmas party na nila Sashi and ni Baba. So today is going to be their last day sa school, and then next year na sila babalik obviously. So Christmas break na, and they're having the time of their life doon sa school. Mamaya pa namin sila kukunin. So before namin sila kukunin, we're going to eat lunch muna. So we are planning to go eat ramen, no? Just planning to eat ramen. Tapos ang layo ng pupuntahan namin just to eat ramen. But hopefully, kasi nung last time, open ba ngayon? Friday, no? Diba? Naman to sila Yasumi. At until 2 PM raman to, no? Diba? Lunch and so may bangag. Hopefully, yeah. So, I'm gonna see you later, guys. Sanchenko. Wow, so Toongo Hotel. Grabe, ibang-iba na talaga dito sa sa Sanchenko. Ganyan na yung tour. Wow, kuya, wasa po Via Star. Princess Bazaar o dili? Because sa seaside ba nga sa paka-black. Finally, nakarating na kami. We're so hungry. Ayan si Ruki. Hi Ruki. We're here at Akita sa Sitay Square sa near Park Mall. Mandawi na nino? Mandawi? Mandawi na no?
Mandawi.
I was ordering shashu. I always order shashu men, but they don't have shashu men, so I ordered shashu shoyu ramen. Si Ruki is miso. And yun, gyoza. Dapat ko andi ay chahang too much level kill yun yan. So I'm just waiting for our order. It's the pita. Doge. I need a Doge in my life. It's been a while since I had mugi chop. Mugi chop. Lami?
Ano ko mo?
No. This is mine. No. I think this is tempura. Gyoza. Naji ka.
Naji.
Chuto na ni chuto. That is my gyoza. I'm waiting for my ramen. This is my meal. For the longest time, I'm gonna eat ramen. That is Roki's ramen. Mine is this one. Shashuyo ramen. Let's try. Walay ka na ko ano. Oh my god, mine is so parat. I don't know what to think of my ramen. Mag-post ka ba? Uy, nandito pala kayo sa... I think my gyoza. Nakaga ito. Nakaga ito. Wow, it's so bright. What do you think about our foodie?
Takay. Takasugi.
That's all you can say.
Takasugi.
Takasugi. Oishi? Yeah, it was just, you know, it's futsu. Yeah, ordinary. Just an ordinary. It's not the same sa yung kinakain namin na ramen doon sa Japan. But for dito sa Philippines, okay na din siya kasi you cannot find ramen na ganyan that is delicious here unless if it's made by a Japanese. Yeah, but I'm really craving for something na yung the ramen, my ramen talaga, yung ramen na kinakain ko, yung favorite ramen ko. Well, we are home, everybody, and we have pasalubong from Ate. Wow, leche plan. My God, today is a cheat day kasi ang daming not good food.
Mga bata kabaw to na lang Alberto.
And I also wanted to drink coffee kasi hindi pa ako nag-coffee. Ayan. Hey, kain tayo. Itadakimasu. Oh, I forgot that today is Friday and I haven't uploaded a video pala for this Friday. Oh, do you like my hair, guys? I have it clamped pero kasi my hair I have it sprayed kaya it looks like it looks so weird here. So, ayan. Atras tayo. So, ganyan yung nangyari kasi ang init. Tingnan nyo naman yung face ko. Grabe. Nagmamantika na, guys. So, yun nga. Mag-edit. I wanted to finish decorating or wrapping the gifts kasi we bought Christmas gift para ipamigay. But I remembered na I haven't edited a vlog for tonight. Oh my gosh. Usually, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I have it all done, uploaded, and scheduled already, but didn't have the chance this week. Kaya ngayon pa lang ako mag-i-edit para may ma-upload tayo. So, yeah! See you in a bit, mga bits. Friends, I'm gonna say goodnight now kasi I'm so tired. It's still early, but I wanted to cook dinner for the dogs and feed them kasi hindi kasi kain. So, I'm we'll be saying goodnight early today. So I hope you had a wonderful and great day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And we'll see you in my next video. Good night!